Siyabonga babendvuna nato tonke nje tihlalo lokuthi sithole lelithuba nathi side lana sitokhuluma noma sitokhombisa injabulo yethu sishaye itandla. Siyajabula kakhulu sebakhulumile labadzala bethu ngeke siphike ukungqinqa athi nyawutinye lokuthi nje kulokuningi libhola asilithathe sithi ngoba still on a low level kukhona la kusita khona nekubuka nako konke kakhulu nalokupromote ubudlelwane esigodzini kunqiphe nje nemaskam there and there kwehle kakhulu kwehlile because of soccer. Kube bekude le soccer noma ibhola ngiyacabanga ngathi all our gangsters ngabe are under bars, behind the bars. Siyakubonga lokho kakhulu Ndvuna enkundla netgemegeme nje etanzile ovothi lapha sebagcekezile sebawabule lithanga lebantu nembila is because of soccer. Siyakubonga Sibebe kakhulu bashito nalabadzala bathi sibulalele amabhodlela and iphindze nabo basatobusicelela nalabadlalisa libhola asibabonge kakhulu emzimba batendile taba noma lina kakhulu sadlalela le tournament bathi labanye hayi ayime labesabako basi labanye hayi ayiqhubeke bathi bomdlovu hayi akhishwe lamanti lapha avela akhishwe manje but isidlale kahle kubethe ukuthi asidlale on a muddy place. So was so grateful about you gentlemen lenisibambene as a coach of Cebelele inami ngiyatibongela ku onke nje ma team kuthi sibambisene nekuwephana kubethe ngathi angifika lapha kulendzawo bang employ as a coach of Cebelele ngabuka njoba labadzala abashito ngabuka le environment lapha nalapha uthi awu la uthi sitawudlala kona ngakhanza abantu nje ba behave impela athi nathele libhodlela lakho umuntu lesibebe bangangena egroundini akhutwa lalele. So I was so very joyful. Mina ke ngikhuluma liqiniso, I am the coach and I am the pastor of the church. Ngiyatibuka nje tintfo letimnanzi kube bekungasiko ukuthi bese kuphuma hlamba kuyagwazwana ngabe ngavela ngathi I quit soccer, but ngakhanza I was so impressed. Siyabonga kakhulu nami ngiyabonga coach wami uyasho ngalana uthi hey ukhala uyemuka nenzebe. I can't comment on that issue because soccer I don't know what to say. Soccer is another game. You can't predict it. Kudependa nje ukuthi ukulungisele kangakanani ejimini. Nami nje solo kusukela Monday nanyalo nje uma ngisuka lana ngiyawutilungisela because ngiyabathi balingani bami la skillful. So it will depend ukuthi ngilungise kangakanani. Nami ngiyafisa kuhamba nale komisha Sibebe. Angisho ke baba eMdlovu angijabulisi wena nami in my dream nemaphupho ami nale ngwatshele ma players ami sithi my players, if I can win this tournament, sorry if I can win this tournament benginako lokusurprise sponsor sethu Sibebe Resort. Ngithi ke ma players uma siwine le tournament will set a day siye ku Sibebe Resort with my team, with my director Mr. Makakula ukhona. And lengishito ke ukuthi management yeSibebe, I am the pastor, I am the coach. I have my mother basically ngema status lapha kaLozitha. People they know her. Umakela Fogeyane. Uthi awubabe, I'm happy because we have joined the team. Naba batukulu bakho by team bathanza Ronaldo. Samaze went a big party kaLozitha for umtukulu wami. What I will support you with the jersey. Ngathi ke make I'm playing this tournament. I wish and I'm praying because onesikhathi lapha mane uma siyowenda siyothatha le mali ngiyojabulisa ama players ami. You can't be there yini nebatukulu bami because they like soccer. So it is my prayer nami mlingani manje unginike le commission nami untoba nesigodlo le kusibebe. And I'm not talking as a funny sibebe result. That is in my mind and in my prayer. Kungendeka nje even this Sunday babemdlovu ayabahluphe labatukulu bami bonthandvo laba make balabo Fogeyane bang 3 they like soccer. They promised to come on Sunday at ukwini ilo kanje nakusiboke laba i-threat kakhulu for bantu babenkosi ukuthini laba tukulu nje they will come on Sunday because ibhola bayithanza maneke babemdlovu batabe vele bambethe leli jersey la Ronaldo babona ba favor Ronaldo kejaje because they will be there to accompany me and my team. Awumlingani ngiyacela unginike shem lelo kanjana lenkomishi noma sengedlulile ngidawucela nebalingani labetako banginike because sengqina vele babemdlovu ngiyawukumema nawe lihovisi mane liye lesibebe ngoba siqelile kuNkhosikati la Fogeyane ukuthi mane phela isendele iphathi uma siwine lesibebe sibe khona lesibebe. God bless you all. Amen.